All right, this tutorial is going to walk you through on how to get the app for Pray for 7, sign up, add people for your 30-day calendar, and add prayer requests. So the first thing you do is with this link, you get the app. You can either get it from the App Store or the Android Google Play Store. Once you get the app and install it, and then bring it up, you're going to see this will be the first page you see. The sign up page or the login page. So if you want to sign up, I'm going to do a test account. Let's do, so you put your email in, next. Then you put your name in. You're not a robot. Done. So that's the sign up process. It's going to send you an email to verify that your email address, and the reason that is so that you're not using somebody else's email address. In that email, it'll be a verify button. You click verify. Once you verify, it's going to ask you to update your password. Then you'll update your password, and then you'll end up coming to this screen. So right now it defaults to a 7-day calendar. That means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And the goal is to have a believer and an unbeliever that you're praying for each one of those days. If you want to do a 30-day calendar, you click the gear icon right here and you check month. And so now you're on a monthly calendar and you can see all the numbers of the month. And it defaults to the current day, this is the 12th day. If you want to change, and here is the date, you can pick any date you want right here and go to that date, or you can click the number and go there. And so the thing you want to do is start adding people for each one of these days. So, and the goal is to have a believer and an unbeliever. You don't have to have both, but that's what we're shooting for. To add a believer or unbeliever to that day, you can click the plus sign here, put their name. I'm just going to put X. If they're a believer or not a believer. If they're a believer, you check the box. If they're not, you keep it unchecked. You say add. And so now X has been added. Now if you want to add another person, you just simply type the name. Let's just do Y. And then click the add. And let's just say they're going to be a believer. And so now you have 2 people for this day. The second day, you'll need to do the same thing. And then the third day, so on. So let's go back to this day. Now if you want to pray for them, you click the pray over here, and it'll walk you through a prayer for them. Praying for X, and then you say amen. Amen. And this denotes that you've prayed for the day. It turns gray once you've prayed for them. The white means you haven't prayed that day yet. The gray means you prayed for them. And so another thing you can do is if you click on any one of these names, you can click on them and a menu comes up. And so you can add prayer requests by going here. If you want to add a prayer, you click the add. And you say, let's just say, you can make a prayer request public or private. If you make it, it defaults to private. That means only you can see it. If it's public, other people can see that prayer. So then you say add prayer, and there are your prayer. There's your list of prayer requests. And then you can just simply go back, or you can just click the home button to get to the page again. So we'll go to the page that we did with the people, and then you can see the prayer log for that person. So this says I prayed for Test on 11/1, and so it marks it for that day. You do the same thing. You can edit. There's contact. You can edit. You can say I want to pray for. If you want to alter the prayer schedule for this person. So right now we're praying for Y on day 1. But if we want to pray for Y on every day, we can click all and then say update. And now Y will be on every day of our 30-day calendar. So there is a quick tutorial on how to set up your 30-day calendar, add people to your calendar, and add prayer requests. Look at your prayer log and also add them to adjust the prayer calendar for each person. Thank you for watching, and God bless you as you pray.